Hello everyone, welcome to Bakunasidas University. Myself Akash, Assistant Professor, Department of Electrical Engineering. Today I am going to discuss representation of Coulomb function using mux. Okay, so this topic will be understood by the question. Suppose we have a question function a comma b which is given as summation 1 comma 2 comma 3 and which also given a b complement plus a complement b plus ab. You have to implement with the help of 4 cross 1 mux. Okay, so you have a question of Coulomb expression, you have to implement this with the 4 cross 1 mux. Okay, so now see, you have to use 4 cross 1 mux. So firstly you have to draw 4 cross 1 mux and you have 4 input pin I0, I1, I2, I3 and 2 select input, because in the 4 cross 1 mux we have 2 select input, that is S1 and S0 and 1 output. Okay, now you have to decide the value of I0, I1, I2 and I3. Okay, before going through the question, you kept in a mind that the question is present in the normalized form. Question is present in the normalized form. Normalized form means min-term form. Okay, if question is given in the min-term, so it is okay. If it is not given in the normalized form, min-term, you have to make it is normalized form. So okay, so see here 2 variables are there. In the question 2 variables are present. So the question is present in the normalized form. Suppose if function a comma b comma c, if question is given as a b bar plus a c in this way. So see in the question there are 3 variables 1, 2, 3, but in this expression we have 2 variables and 2 variables. One is missing. So it means this is not in the normalized form. You have to make a normalized form, then solve a question with the mux. Okay, so this is mean by the normalized form. Now see, you have to decide that how you will implement. There are 2 variables. So these 2 variables are put in the select line a, b. Okay, because the 2 variables are there or 2 select pins are there, so these 2 variables comes to these select input S1 and S0. By selecting these values we can get a output. Okay, see, if first term is a b complement, a b complement means if the value of, suppose I will develop it to table here a and b and this is y, this is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, we can see this is a b complement. A b complement is a b complement. So a b complement is this a b complement. This is a complement, b complement, and this is a complement, b, and this is a b. So see, a b complement is this and a complement b is this and a is this. So in this 3 case we have get output is 1 only. So we can put the value of output is 1 1 1 and in this 0. Okay, so the value of output is I0 is 0 and I1 is 1 and I2 is 1 and I3 is 1. So you have to apply the pin I0 is 0, pin I1 is 1, pin I2 is 1 and pin I3 is 1. So you have to put 0 here, 1 here, 1 here and 1 here and get the desired output. Suppose you have to see the result. If you have this input is passed through the mux when the value of a and b is 0, then we can see 0 is multiplied with a complement b complement plus, if we want I1 is 1 is passed through when this is a complement and this is b, so a complement b plus, if I2 is passed through the multiplexer, we can get 1 a b complement plus If we want I3, I3 is 1, we have to see 1, and this is passed when A and B is 1, so this is A into B. So you will see, you will get the same result that is given in the question also. So in this way, we can design a Boolean expression, or simply represent the Boolean expression with the help of mux. But here the function is of two variables and select lines are of two types. Okay, so there is no problem. But if you design this problem with using 2 cross 1 mux, okay, so 2 cross 1 mux means 2 raised to the power 1 into 1. So here select lines is 1, but variables are 2. So okay, it means the Boolean expression is of higher order, but mux is of lower order is present. So now see the concept of designing this question again with the help of 2 cross 1 mux. See, I will write the question again. F A comma B, A B complement B plus AB. This is the question, or we can say it is right in the summation form 1 comma 2 comma 3. Now you have to implement this with the help of 2 cross 1 mux. So you have to make 2 cross 1 mux. Okay, 2 cross 1 mux. This is I0, this is I1, and this is the final output Y, and this is the S. Now see, you have to consider this select input is B. Okay. You consider A and B anything. Now you consider A. The value of S0 is A. Now, but the function is of two variable, but here select lines is 1. So you have to make I0 and I1 in the form of 0, 1, A and B and B complement. You have to represent the value of I0 and I1 in terms of this. So how you will represent this? See, suppose you have to let S0 is A, then you represent here B and here B complement. No, you have to represent this is B complement and this is B, and put this is I0 and this is I. Okay, you have to make a table. Suppose firstly you have to write B complement and here B, and here two pins are present I0 and I1. You have to put here I0 and I1. Now see, B complement comes when this is 0 0, this is 0 1, this is 1 0, and this is 1 1. So B complement, this is A and this is B. This is B complement and this is B complement. B complement comes when this is 0 and this is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. So B complement comes when the 0 is there and 2 is there. So you have to write here 0 and 2. Okay, because B complement comes in 0 and 2. Okay, now see B comes B is there and B is there. So it comes when the value is 1 and 3. So you have to put here 1 and 3. In this way, you have to develop a tabular form. Once again, I repeat the concept. Suppose you have to write the B complement. So for B complement, you see the truth table. In the truth table, you see the B complement possibilities in the 0 and 2 cases there. So you have to write it here 0 and 2, and you have to see the possibility of B, which comes in 1 and 3. You have to write 1 and 3 here. Now see in the question, it is given 1, 2, 3. You have to encircle these terms in the tabular form. You have to encircle 1 is here, 2 you have to encircle this here, 3 you have to encircle here. Okay, so after encircling, you have to see if both are encircled. If both are encircled, you have to write only 1. If one are encircled, you have to write the result by seeing in the left. Suppose here only one encirclement are there. So see in the left, in the left which is present, B is present, you have to write here B only. Okay, here both are encirclement. When both are encirclement, you have to write here 1. Suppose we have to consider one more condition. Let down 5 is encirclement. So corresponding to 5 which is present B complement. So you have to write B complement. Suppose 6 and 3, no one is encirclement. If no one is encirclement, then you have to write here 0. So these 4 are the possibility. If one is encirclement, you have to see in the left and write the variable name. If both are encirclement, you have to take 1. If no one is encirclement, you have to take 0. Okay. But these 4 conditions are not there, we have to remove them. Now the value of I0 becomes B and value of I1 becomes 1. You have to put here B and 1. Okay. So in this way we have represent the given question by the multiplexer 2 cross 1. Now see the final output. B is multiplied with A complement. So A complement into B plus 1 into A, 1 into A. Okay, so this is the final output. Okay. So in this way we represent the same question with lower order ones. Now see one more example. This is a very important concept for the gate point of view. Consider another example. In the question, if a function is a, comma b, comma c, here are 3 variables are present and question is given in the form of min-term 0, comma 1, comma 3, comma 5. Okay. Question is that and you have to implement with the 4 cross 1 mux. You have to implement with the 4 cross 1 mux. Okay. Here how many variables are there? 3 variables are there. But in the select line, how many select lines are present? 2 select lines are present. In the question 3 variables are present, but in the mux 2 select lines are present. Means the question is of higher order and mux is of smaller, lower order. Okay. So in this question you have to make a table. After making a table, you have to solve the question. So firstly, you have to make 4 cross 1 mux, and this is I0, this is I1, this is I2, and this is I3. This is the S1, this is the S0, and this is the Y. Okay. So see. Now see, you have to consider any 2 variable in the select line S1, S0. In this case, I will consider A and B here. Suppose this is A and this is B. Now 1 is left. Which is left C. C comes here, here, anywhere. Now 4 possibilities are there. You have to represent 0, 1, C and C complement. Okay. So how? Suppose you have to draw table here that C complement and C, here you have to write I0, I2 and I3. Okay. Now C complement comes in which position? Firstly, you have to draw the possible outcomes. Suppose you have seen 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. This is A, this is B, and this is C. This is 0 present. This is 1 position. This is 2 position. This is 3 position. This is 4 position. This is 5 position. This is 6, and this is 7. Now C complement comes here. You have to encircle. C complement comes here, C complement comes here, C complement here. So C complement's position is 0, 2, 4, 6. So you have to write here 0, 2, 4, 6. And C without complement, the many places are there. So you have to write 1, 3, and 5 and 7. Okay. Now see in the question which are present 0, 1, 3. So 0, 1, 3 and 5. You have to encircle this. Now write the outcomes here. Both are encirclement. The answer is 1. If 1 is encirclement, see the left. In the left which is present, C is present. Here 1 is encirclement, C in the left, C is there. Here nothing is encirclement, you will get 0. Okay. So you have to apply the value of I naught is 1 and here C and here C is a 0. The value of I naught is 1, value of I1 is 1, value of I2 is C and I3 is 0. Okay, I naught, I1, I2, I3. Now you have to write the answer. If I naught is passed through the multiplexer, so it becomes 1 into A complement B complement plus if I1 is passed, I1 is C, you have to write C, it becomes A complement B plus C, A B complement plus 0 into A B. So this is neglect, the answer becomes this only. So in this way we will represent this Woolen expression with the help of 4 cross 1 marks. Okay. Now do one more question based on this concept only. Question number 3. In question number 3, suppose function A, comma B, comma C is there, summation 0, 1, 3 and 5. Now you have to solve this question by taking select line BC only. In the previous case I am taking select line AB, but in this case I am taking the select line BC. Okay, same question is there, but we have interchanged the select line. This is the select line S1 and S0. We have considered this is B and this is C, but in the previous case I have considered this is A and this is B. Okay. And this is I0, I1, this is I0, I1, I2 and I3, and this is 4 cross 1 marks, and this is the Y output. Okay. Now you have to represent this in the form of 0, 1, which is missing, A is missing, then here is A and A complement is there. Now make it table. Suppose this is A complement and A, this is I0, I1, I2 and I3. Okay. So up now you will see A complement present which position. So A complement, suppose draw again table 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. This is 0 position, this is 1 position, 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. This is A value, this is B value, C. Now see, you have to write A complement. A complement is present here, 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 here. So you represent 0, 1, 2, 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3. And A without complement 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4, 5, 6, 7. Now encirclement. 0 encirclement, 1 encirclement, 3 encirclement and 5 encirclement. Okay. Now 1 encirclement are there. So C in the left which is present, A complement is present. Both are encirclement. Answer is 1 only. Nothing is encirclement. This is 0. 1 is encirclement. C in the left, A complement. You have to write here. A complement, 1, 0 and A complement. In this way, you represent the same question by interchanging the select line. You have to do this question by making select line A and C. Okay, you have to do this question by using select line A and C and verify your result. Okay, I'll making select line AB and BC. You have to make select line AC and do the same question and revise the concept. So this is about the representation of Woolen function using mugs. Okay. So I hope you will understand this topic. In the next video, I will come with the gate numericals which is based on the multiplexer. Okay. तो जब तक के लिए take care and bye.